Hi all, welcome back to my channel. Let's moisturize our face. उसके बाद प्राइमिंग करना ज़रूरी है. लेट्स डू प्राइमर. Next is concealing. Let's conceal all our dark circles, under eye, everything, blemishes, spots and everything. Today I'll do my eyebrows first. I'm using Wet n Wild eyebrow pencil. I'll be using Maybelline concealer to highlight my eyebrows and conceal everything nicely. Also making this wing shape for my eyeshadow, and if you do this, it's very easy, you know, for your defined cut crease eyeshadow look, and it is very helpful. So it gives you a limit not to go out of the space. I do it, it's very easy to do. And so let's do our eye makeup. Now I'll be contouring my face. I'm using a darker eyeshadow from my eyeshadow palette and just giving a nice straight look to my nose and my contouring area. Now using Lakme Rose powder, I'm just blocking up the base because this is summer and you must be very much ready for your sweat. Now using Maybelline blush, I'm just applying it on my blushy cheeks area, and yeah, it is really giving a very natural rosy look. I'll be applying highlighter also from the same palette. It's lipstick time. I'm taking Lotus lip liner and applying onto my lips just to give a nice define to my lips, and then using Nika's matte lipstick, very natural, using it, and it's really very smooth and has satiny finish. Now finishing up my look with some jewelry. Let's wait for the final look. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye.